Good afternoon, I'm here on site at Whitstone. Behind me is the gatehouse on the market at £425,000. Nearing completion. We've had a good bit of interest in it with an offer subject to sale on the property, but we're still fully open to interest and offers. The property is now carpeted. The garage door is on its way, so it'll have a proper big garage for secure storage and parking. And I'll give you a quick video tour just to show you the update and progress as the property is nearly ready to move into.